Learn how to create the world's smallest hygiene kit for your bug-out bag.
As you can see, it's small, fits in the palm of my hand. It's relatively cheap to make, and it's everything you need for a bug-out bag, which, as you know, is 72-hour period of sustainment. We have about 5 objects in here. First thing I'm going to talk about is I've got a toothbrush. Pretty simple. I just cut off the handle to where it fits into my kit. It's nice, small. I can obviously hit all of my teeth. And then we've got these here for toothpaste. I opted for toothpaste tablets. These are real little, about the size of an aspirin, and it's actually a toothpaste tablet. The one that I use are Chomp's toothpaste. So the way this works, you just put this in your mouth, kind of, chew it up with a little bit of spit, and it's toothpaste. You just brush your teeth as you normally would. Got some dental floss. Pick up a real small pack. You could also, if you wanted to, you could just pull out some dental floss and make this even more compact. I've got a little holder here, and in this holder container, see if I can get it open, we have soap. So these are little soap sheets. I don't know if you've ever seen them or not, but it's basically a very little, feels like I don't know, it's like a small, almost like a dryer sheet. It's less than a dryer sheet, it's a lot thinner. And these are soap sheets. When I put this in water, and I'll show you here near the end of this video, when I put it in water, it turns to soap. So we've got toothpaste, tooth floss, we've got soap, and now we also need a way to wash, right? So this can double up as a few things. These are little towelettes. You drop them in the water here, and they start to expand, as you can see. And these little towelettes expand, and they're reusable to an extent. I mean, they're not going to just deteriorate, but they're also not, you know, super sturdy. So with these, and I'm not going to take a lot of time here trying to unfold it, but you can take this and you can utilize this as a washcloth, right? I could utilize this, and it's, like I said, it's relatively sturdy. It's not super strong. I could rip it if I pulled hard enough, but relatively sturdy. You can use this as washcloth. I could use this as toilet paper. I've got mine in a tube. You don't have to have them in a tube. I also have little kits like this, which is just towels and soap. So pretty simple, all of this. I'll show you this soap here. So the soap, I'll just put it right here into this, rub it in, and as you can see, a little bit, we've got some soap on our hand here. So very simple hygiene kit, very compact. It'll meet my needs for 72 hours.